Today's video is going to be more like a presentation, but of course I'm going to give you some numbers regarding these two fans. So we have white fans, white versions of fans from BeQuiet. So as you can see right here, the Pure Loop 2 does come with Pure Wings 3, right? But in black version. So we don't have a white version of Pure Loop 2, unfortunately, but we saw some new stuff coming from Computex, and that will be quite interesting to incorporate everything into their white builds, white cases, and all together, right? But regardless of that, right here we have the Pure Wings 3 140 PWM white, and you also have it with high speed as well, and we have here Pure Wings 3 120 PWM high speed white, which you also have in regular, so as the 140 that I have right here. What I decided to do in these terms when we're talking about this build specifically is I used 4 140, 3 on front and 1 at the back here in the Dark Base 701 white, and I used the high speed 120 ones here on the AIO. This way I would give a nice intake, quite nice exhaust, and great performance on the AIO. So what's it all about? There's no much different, well, basically there is no difference when you compare it to your how do I say it, to your regular black version. This is just presenting you guys that you have a white version of these fans and that you can use them in your white builds. So, but before we go to that part, I'm gonna tell you a bit of a specifications quite quickly. So both 120 and 140 have regular dimensions. So the 140 is 140 times 140 times 25, and 120 is 120 times 120 times 25. Now the fan speed on the high speed one, 120, is 2100. Noise level is 30.9 decibels. As airflow is 59.6 CFM. Air pressure is 2.41 millimeters H2O, and 4-pin PWM connector. Lifespan is 80,000 hours. On the 140 ones that I have right here, so the regular versions, fan speed is 1200 RPMs. Noise level is 21.9 decibels. So you can hear them honestly. And then we go with airflow. We have 57.4 CFM. So you can see what I'm getting at, right? Drastically lower RPMs, drastically lower decibel noise level, however you want to call it, and we have this almost the same airflow. So this is really good. Of course, we're talking about 140 compared to 120, logical, right? But just want to give you that. And then we have air pressure, which is 0.96 millimeters H2O. Connector is 4-pin PWM, of course, and 80,000 hours when we're talking about in general lifespan. So it's quite cool. Unfortunately, in this scenario, in this build, I still don't have the new AIO to go with the white version, and that will be quite cool in the future builds that will be coming. And yeah, quite looking forward to that, and of course the white GPU, but that doesn't have to do anything with this. Of course, you can check all of these fans in the description below if you decide to go and pair it up with your white case, especially with this 701. This is an outstanding case, and you've seen the build a couple of days ago about this build and how everything was assembled. But let's check out the results. There's not going to be much of a difference when we're taking into consideration the Pure Wings 3 that come with Pure Loop 2 and these high performance one, well, high speed one. But regardless of that, we go into AIDA 64, 86 degrees on CPU in both scenarios, but we get 25 megahertz more with the high speed ones. I think that might not be drastical, and the GPU stays the same basically on 66 degrees. And then we go into Cinebench, 84 degrees on the CPU constantly throughout the original black version of the Pure Wings 3. 4950 megahertz clock speed on the CPU, and the score started 26,235 and eventually touched 300, but I would say somewhere of average is 26,270. When we skip to these ones, the Pure Wings 3 high speed ones, we have 83 to 82 degrees. So it kind of they do lower it down a bit. I wouldn't say this will be a constant, because you'll see in scores that they kind of fill up each other. you'll get the point quite soon. So 25 megahertz more on the clock speed regarding whole 10 benchmarks. And then we go to the Cinebench scores, 26,224 regarding the first. And then we go immediately 360, 286, 229, and it kind of goes a bit higher. So what I would say is 26,290, 300 eventually on average when we're talking about Cinebench scores. And they do give better performance, don't get me wrong, of course. But I think the point here is that you get a bit more noise with these ones. Regarding that, it's all up to you to decide. Are you going to go with Pure Wings 3 because you can grab the white version, regular ones that's the same that come with Pure Loop 2, and go with some monochromatic design if you're into that stuff? Or you could go with high performance, want to get those 300 points. I know you don't run Cinebench on daily basis, of course, but you might push a bit extra from the CPU in stock. Of course, I don't do anything else with it because I really like to run it on stock just to get those kind of results. So all in all, now you know, BeQuiet has Pure Wings 3 in 120, 140, black and white. Now they have it in white. Regular and high speed, you can choose whatever you want. As already mentioned, the links are in the description below, and because of those links, I'll even add the 701, the dark base, because this case is definitely outstanding. Goes perfect with these fans. So guys, yeah, that's it for today. A bit overview and a bit some sort of benchmarks to give you some numbers and you know what to expect. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub, like, and hit the notification bell for future content coming, well, today, tomorrow, every day from now on. Thanks. Bye bye.